Managing Facebook groups is no longer tiring thanks to this tool. What if your Facebook group could generate leads while you sleep? Managing a Facebook group is powerful but time-consuming. Group Leads automates everything, turning members into leads instantly. Group Leads captures new member data automatically. Emails and responses sync to Google Sheets and your email marketing tool. No need for Zapier. Group Leads works directly, saving you time and money on third-party integrations. Connect unlimited Facebook groups. Scale your lead generation without extra costs or complications. Automatically approve qualified members. Their data is captured and sent to your CRM instantly. Send decline messages to unqualified members. Keep your group high quality and spam-free. Welcome new members with personalized messages. Improve engagement and start nurturing leads right away. Group Leads users save hours weekly. Imagine what you could do with that extra time. Ready to automate your Facebook group leads? Try Group Leads today and see the difference.